Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Virtual School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English First Prepare class for the students of class 9 on the topic Unit-3, Lesson-6. I'm repeating, today our topic is Unit-3, Lesson-6. Students, this is our 13th lecture and 9th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 13th lecture and 9th homework. Students, please take your textbook and writing elements. First, we'll talk about Pohela Boishakh, our traditional festive, and then we'll do some exercise. So you have to keep this in your notebook. So let's start. Students, open page 42, Unit 3, Lesson 6. Here, I'm going to read part B about Pohela Boishakh. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. The day is a public holiday. So we know Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year and we observe it as a public holiday. This day has a special significance for us as it is a part of Bengali culture and tradition. So Pohela Boishakh is our traditional festival, and on this day it has a special significance for us as it is a part of our culture and also a part of our tradition. People from all walks of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity or religious beliefs, celebrate the day with traditional festivities. So for people from all walks of life means it doesn't matter whether a person is a Muslim, a Hindu or a Buddhist, or a person can be from ethnic identity. All attend this Pohela Boishakh, and this is our traditional festive. That's why people from all walks of life celebrate this day with traditional mood. On this day, the whole of Bangladesh is in a festive mood. So it means whole Bangladesh, that means all people celebrate this day with festive mood. The day inspires people to start life with renewed hopes, aspirations. So as it is the first day of Bangla New Year, people think that they can start a new journey with some new hopes and aspirations. Every year they celebrate it traditionally. People wake up early in the morning, have a bath and wear traditional clothes. Women wear white saris with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful cherries and flowers, while men dress themselves in pajamas and Punjabis. It is a day when people love eating traditional food. So Pohela Boishakh is a traditional day and people of Bangladesh is to celebrate this day with proper tradition. And that's why they wake up early in the morning, they take their bath and used to wear traditional dresses. So basically women wear white saris with red border and they used to adorn themselves with colorful cherries and flowers. And in the meantime, men used to dress themselves in pajamas and Punjabis. You know, sari and pajama, Punjabis, these are our traditional dress. It is a day when people love eating traditional food. So not only about dress, people take a great care of traditional food. In this day, people used to wear traditional dress and used to take traditional food also. One of the most colorful events of the day is held in Dhaka. Early in the morning, people in hundreds and thousands pour in from all directions to attend the cultural function at Ramna Batamul organized by China. So the biggest function held in Dhaka, and early in the morning of Pohela Boishakh, people used to gather around the Batamul, and here we find some cultural program that is organized by China. The cultural program begins just at sunrise, and the renowned artists of the country take part in the program that starts with the famous tiger song Esho He Boishak, Esho Esho. Artists also sing traditional folk songs and perform classical dances to the rhythm of musical instruments. So, students, as I said, cultural programs at Ramna Bottomul organized by Chayanot on the day of Pohila Boishak. There renowned artists, that means famous artists from the whole country, come to take part in this program, and the day starts with the song, the famous song of Rabindranath Tagore, Esho He Boishak, Esho Esho, and artists also used to sing traditional folk songs, and these are also a part of our tradition. Traditional songs are also part of our tradition. And also they used to perform some classical dances with rhythm of musical instruments. People also come to join the colorful processions, the biggest carnival of the country, organized by the finest students of Dhaka University. So not only this, not only at Ramna Bottomul, but also people or students of Dhaka University also organized. Basically, the students of fine arts of Dhaka University organized the biggest carnival of the country on this day. The procession usually displays traditional practices of Bengali culture. The mask and dress worn by the people are so fascinating. Often they symbolize temporary worries or happiness in the national life. Often they symbolize contemporary worries and happiness in the national life. It attracts and increasing number of foreign tourists every year. So to attend our traditional festive, that means in Pohila Boishak, not only Bengalis, not only Bangladeshis, but also a lot of foreign tourists come to celebrate this festive with us. The day is also observed all over the country. Different social and cultural organizations and educational institutions celebrate the day with their own cultural programs. So, as it is our traditional festive all over the country, people used to observe this day, and different social and cultural organizations, including educational institutions, celebrate this day with full rhythm to celebrate our traditional festive. On this day, newspapers bring out special supplements. There are also special programs on the radio and television. So not only, as I said, all these programs, but also newspapers bring out special supplements, and our television channels, our radio channels also broadcast some special programs on this day. The celebration of Pohila Boishak marks a day of cultural unity for the whole nation. I'm repeating, the celebration of Pohila Boishak marks a day of cultural unity for the whole nation. So this is the day when all people mix together. There is no difference in this day, because people from all walks of life used to celebrate this day, whether a person can different from other in religion, in culture, in identity. They celebrate together this day. So students, I hope you can understand this passage about Pohila Boishak. Now students come to page number 43. Part D, complete the passage with suitable words. Now we will fill these gaps. The word Pohila means the first, and Boishak is the dash month of Bangla calendar. So can you guess which word will be in this gap? The word Pohila means the first, and Boishak is the dash month. We know Boishak is the first month. So in the gap we have to say first month of the Bangla calendar. The day is observed not dash in Bangladesh, but dash in some other parts of the world. Students, you know this rule, not only dot dot, but also. Not only, but also. So what can you see in this gap? The day is observed not only in Bangladesh, but also. So in these gaps you have to write only and also. As we know, not only but also. So that day is observed not only in Bangladesh but also in some other parts of the world. It is celebrated in West Bengal, Assam and Tripura. It is also dash in Australia and the UK, that means United Kingdom. It is also observed. It is also celebrated. We know here we find the verb is, and after is we have to use the past participle form of the verb because the subject is not personal. So it is also celebrated or observed in Australia and the United Kingdom. In Australia, the largest dash for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Boishakhi Mela, held dash Sydney Olympic Park. So in Australia, the largest dash for Bangla New Year, the largest festival. The word will be festival. The largest festival for Bangla New Year is the Sydney Boishakhi Mela, held dash Sydney Olympic Park. This is the name of a place, and before place, this is a huge place, and that's why we have to use a preposition, and it will be in. Sydney Boishakhi Mela, held in Sydney Olympic Park. In England, the Bengalis dash celebrate the day with a street dash in London. In England, the Bengalis, so can you guess? Okay, the Bengalis also celebrate the day with a street procession in London. It is the dash Asian festival in Europe dash Bangladesh and West Bengal. So it is the traditional Asian festival in Europe. So in Europe, Pohela Boishakh is celebrated as traditional festival. So in this gap you have to say traditional and dash Bangladesh and West Bengal, and in this gap you have to write upholding Bangladesh and West Bengal. Now students, say with me, I have written the answers here. Number 1 will be first, number 2 only, number 3 also, number 4 observed, or you can say celebrated, number 5 festival, number 6 in, number 7 also, number 8 procession, number 9 traditional, and number 10 upholding. Now students, again come to page 43, part A. Describe your own cultural or religious festival that you celebrate. You can use the following words. You can also use other words relevant to the festival. Here are some words that are given. Look: colorful, cultural, special, flowers, traditional, food, religious, songs, dance, festive. So you can practice this at home, and like this you can write about Pohela Boishakh, as Pohela Boishakh is our traditional festival, and people used to attend this cultural program from all walks of life. So you have to write a paragraph on Pohela Boishakh, and it will be your homework. Students, don't forget to write the lecture number with homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 13 and homework number is 9. Students, please do your homework. And don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.